We are here, we are here, we are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and patterns. Okay, guys, we are marking up SQ stock square. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. We're going to find a time frame. We can break up some charts and break down some charts to figure out why did the market do that. So looking at the weekly, headed down to the daily. We can work on the daily. Daily looks good. So we're gonna work with this area here. We're gonna say within these lines. Let's see what's going on with the daily time frame. There's a lot of patterns in this area. So first thing we're gonna identify is let's say there's really no price action that was over there, but starting over here, identify highest highs, identify lowest lows. All right, so let's take a look at what's going on. So when the market pushed up to this area, this midpoint, actually to the pattern, which was a overall W. So we had that. So that mark, even though it didn't come all the way down, it's still the same concept. Market pushed down once, came back down, pushed down. Market pushed down twice, came back down, pushed back up. So we got that W formation here. So we have a double bottom. We see them two pushes at the bottom. So we know after the two pushes, W formation, retest happened here. Then after that, the market pushed up once, came back down, market pushed up twice, and then dropped all the way back down. So what happened here? Zoom in. So in this area here, we got a double top and a retest, which dropped that market down. So we can see that the pointers here, 1 pointer, 2 pointers, retest at the red doji, and the market pushed down once, twice, 3 times, cap, and that's how we knew the market's going to go up. And what pattern that we clearly see in this area here? Another W. So we see a W here, we see a W here. So that means we have that first leg, second leg, third leg, formation of the fourth leg, formation of the W. Retest is in this area. So if we go to a lower time frame, we probably see an incline retest or incline W that's retesting the market a few times, or maybe some type of consolidation incline, I should say. From there, that market pushed up once, came back down, market pushed up twice, came back down, and then the market dropped. So we have a W, W, so we have a W, we have a double top, M, W, and when that market pushed up to the highest high here, once again, so we have when we read this market, you see two spike ups with the retest, that's a double top and a retest. We'll identify that, we can identify that on a lower time frame. So from there, the market came down to come back up to retest. So that's basically the break and retest that we go over every day with the break and retest strategy. So let me play this off a little bit so you guys can see. So if we put an area of SR, if we place the SR line here, we see that the market came into it. So we see that first push up, okay, and within that first push up, we got that double top. So when that market's on the way down, when the market is on the way down, we can see that the market is breaking that area of support, which is a floor, coming back to that floor, which is resistance now, the roof, because we're in the bottom end of it. And then from there, the market dropped down once, dropped down twice, came up for another retest, dropped down again, same lowest, near lowest lows, but not the same level. So it's a pattern that happened in this area here. So we got a double top, break and retest here, and the market dropped once, twice. So let's see what's going on here. So overall, market's back at the support. So is at that support. That's most of the time the market's going to consolidate, either break up or break down within that consolidation. Tap, 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 gone. So we got a W formation. We got that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest. It's on our resistance line, and then market pushed up once, came back down. Market pushed up twice, came back down, and we got to retest the market sold. Okay, so we have a W formation, retest. We go down a lower time frame. I know I did say a double top, two pushes to the top, but you may have to confirm this one as well. On a lower time frame, it may show 3 pushes to the top. Even though these levels is not at the same point, but we can see that the market pushed up once, pushed up twice, pushed up 3 times, and then we got a retest. So go down a lower time frame. This last candle may be a little higher because of the market extends when you go down a lower time frame. After that, the market broke at the retest and it dropped back down. Okay, when it dropped back down, is at an overall midpoint. So basically, the market's starting itself all over again, and that's when that pattern was formed. We can clearly see again of a W. So we count it from here: first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Once came up, retest twice, came back up. So we see another W. So the W here, and there's a W here, and the market pushed up, and we got a bunch of wicks up to the top. So this market pushed up with wicks about how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at its cap. 5 pushes to the top. If we go down lower time frame, you probably see 5 pushes to the top, retest with the red candle, and market push back down. But we're still in that overall incline. That's why the market is not pushing the candle that drew price action up, which is here. So the market is having a hard time to return here and then break through this level to break down lower. And we can clearly see that market coming from a low all the way up to the high. So we have an incline. Break, retest, break, retest, break, retest, break, retest. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX running the levels. Also, guys, please review Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images, go through the images to figure out what patterns is being formed so you can know the direction of the market. Very important information, guys. Please review breakout retest strategies on images so you can understand when the market is going up, breaking the resistance line, what's going to happen after. Thank you for your attention. SQ, stock,